Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
O MLA jong ka South Shillong Constituency uba Sanbor Shullai. Haka khatnyo terik ubnai naitung arhajar arpuai ula sam jingerap daga song pisa kabamar arhajar tengka sha ki sauspa atli ki Longïing ki badan haka snong laban ya kaba ula yo bha hadu san paulak tengka naga special urban works program bad ya kabaduna nakani ka san paulak tengka an sapendap nakatulop jong u ban yarap ya ki Longïing ki badok bad ki balaya kendu jing naka jingwan lin shop jong ka jingpang klam COVID-19 haga nega jilla haka sen kabaar. Hado menta ki don kumbashi hajar teli ki Longïing ki balayo ya kene ka jingira pisa na ki sao teli ki dong bad ye ki badangsa na kaliang jong MLA un pteng ban lait sam biang ha kini ki sngi ki ban sawan uba Sanbor Shullai ula yatho ba ka jingsam jingira da ka song pisa shagini ki Longïing kalong da ka jingya selok lang bad ka community COVID-19 management team.
There are a government and in Delhi, the BJP, under the Prime Ministership of Narendra Modi, he have passed an order to provide essential commodities, food items, even to those genuine citizens of India who doesn't possess ration card. And it's all distributed to each and every house, free of cost. And this time, we have discussed with our Honorable Chief Minister to cut, because this is a very important, crucial time for our people in our state, especially those who hail from the low-income background or the BPL family who are badly affected by the imposition of lockdown due to the second wave of the outbreak of the second wave of the COVID-19. And 50 lakh has been earmarked, and last month, based on this notification, I along with the members of the MCIC 19 South Shillong, we have convened a meeting comprises of all the Dorbar Shillong, the village council, the societies, the NGOs, which falls under my constituency, the 19 South Shillong at Assam Club, and unanimously we have taken a decision and we have given a liberty to the respective Dorbar Shillong and its CCMT members to select the genuine beneficiaries who are badly affected by the lockdown. That is those people who are badly affected are those taxi drivers, hawkers, daily wages, domestic workers, daily laborers, physically handicapped, then these porters, the dajus, and those street vendors, the hawkers, where their shop and establishment and their work place has been shut down for 2 months by the imposition of various SOP of the government. So we have thoroughly discussed with the Dorbar Shillong and its CCMT members to see and to identify door to door at your respective locality only those genuine people who are eligible to get this kind of scheme. This scheme, in the notification there is no guideline which has been given the liberty to the MLA as the chairman of the committee and the member of the implementation committee to choose at their own discretion to see what we have to extend to the affected people. And we have come up with the idea because based on our report, each and every house you are having your essential commodities, rice, food, dal, chini, everyone. Every house you are having giving free of course from the central government, from the state government, even from the Darbar Shillong. They have contributed the church committee, the puja committee, the monastery committee, the temple committee, the Gurdwara committee, and even various NGOs. They have come forward to extend.